back to Aesthetic Boss. Thank you for joining me today. Today we're going to be looking at another Canva app. This one is called Photostylist. So it's going to allow us to choose from three options to change the look of our pictures. I'm going to start off with a file that I currently have, and I'm just going to put it up here and make it a tad bit smaller. I'm going to hop on over to our apps, and I'm going to type in Photostylist, which is this one right here. Going to go ahead and open it. Now this one is a little different because it asks you to choose a file. I already have the file in my downloads, but for some strange reason, it does not allow you to click on it and pop up. So the styles that they have is sketch, abstract, and autumn. We're going to generate each one of these based off of this picture. And these actually work a little quicker than some of the other apps. So let's see what it comes up with. Oh, that is beautiful. I love that. We're going to make this the same size, and we're actually going to just do it for the other styles. Okay, so we're going to try the abstract. I do love this. That's beautiful as well. Okay, we have this app for. So this is the abstract look. And then we're going to do it one more time for the autumn look. Generate this one. And that came out well as okay. So I'm just going to zoom in here. I actually like this. So this is our original picture. We show it here as a sketch, an abstract look, and of course an autumn look, which is more of those fall-like colors. This right here, I want to add it to see if we can make this more of a coloring book, which 9 times out of 10 with Canva we are. So I just changed that to noir. Definitely can make it into a coloring book. Okay. But you guys, this is another Canva app you may not have known about. Please let me know what you think. As always, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys. I'll see you next time.